Well, it never rains like this in Walla Walla.
Despite the evidence right here.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dang. Is the lightning coming from the other side? We should open the garage door. Whoa. I can't see where it's pointing right now. Here's some.
Pikachu, use your thunder smash!
Might be moving on. Oh, no, I shouldn't have moved the camera. Every time. Is it over there? Is it over here? Let's move it and find out. Wow.
Did you get that one?
Well, I didn't get the strike, but...
All I see is blackness. Oh, good stuff.
Dang, that's bright. Seriously? Wow. Rods. Oh. Nice.
What great kite flying weather.
Sure thing, Ben.
And me.
Haha. Ooh, dang, it's right above us. Nice and damp all over. Yes.
I hope you got that.
I so hope I got that. Come on, one more spectacular show right here. Right where the camera's pointed. Come on, you can do it. One more show. Right there. Right before the battery goes out. Come on. I'll take that, sure.